Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to do Salesforce modules. First, navigate to Trailhead, Salesforce's free online learning platform. You'll find a vast library of modules covering everything from basic administration to advanced development. Each module is designed to help you build practical skills. Let's dive into finding your first module and starting your learning journey. Once on Trailhead, use the search bar to find modules relevant to your interests or career goals. You can filter results by product, role, or even difficulty, from beginner to advanced. Consider starting with a trail, which is a curated sequence of modules designed to give you a comprehensive understanding of a particular area. This structured approach can be very effective. Within each module, you'll find several units. These units typically include reading material, helpful videos, and step-by-step instructions. The most engaging part is often the hands-on challenge, where you'll apply what you've learned directly within a Salesforce developer org. Successfully completing these challenges is key to earning your points and badges, so pay close attention to the instructions. As you complete units and modules, you'll accumulate points and earn valuable badges. These badges are more than just digital accolades. They represent your acquired skills and knowledge. Displaying them on your Trailhead profile can significantly enhance your professional credibility and demonstrate your commitment to continuous learning in the Salesforce ecosystem. Keep learning and growing.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.